In 1980, a tragic event unfolded in Australia's Northern Territory when Azaria Chamberlain, a 9-week-old baby, went missing from a campsite at Uluru. The incident sparked one of the biggest legal events in Australia, with several inquests held and inconsistent findings about the cause of baby Azaria's death. At one point, both parents were imprisoned on murder charges related to their daughter. However, in 2012, the fourth inquest was held and the true cause of Azaria's death was established. She was taken by a dingo. Outside the court, Azaria's mother stated, "No longer will Australia be able to say that dingoes are not dangerous and only attack if provoked. We live in a beautiful country, but it is dangerous." Dingoes are often perceived as cute and playful due to their fox-like appearance. However, they are wild animals with strong predatory instincts, and when they feel threatened or simply hungry, they can become aggressive. Dingoes are closer to wolves than to dogs, so they should always be treated with caution and not as pets. Number 6. Slow lories. In 2012, George Madani, a wildlife biologist, went on a wildlife survey trip in Sarawak, Malaysia. Madani then encountered a slow loris on a mango tree, which sparked his curiosity. Madani climbed the tree to get a closer look, but somehow the slow loris fell out of the tree when Madani's movements caused it to lose balance. In an attempt to return the loris to the tree, Madani grabbed it from behind but ended up being bitten by it. Despite being a seasoned wildlife biologist accustomed to handling various species, Madani described the slow loris bite to be particularly excruciating. And that was not all. The bite led to a severe anaphylactic reaction, causing extreme swelling, pain, and difficulty breathing. Madani soon found his throat to be closing up, but thankfully, a nearby clinic saved his life. Slow lorises are the only known venomous primates in the world, and despite their cute appearance, their bites can be lethal. When feeling threatened, slow lorises will draw venom from their elbow patch before mixing it in their mouth to deliver a toxic bite. So yes, slow lorises do have cute eyes, but you don't want to keep them as pets. Furthermore, slow lorises belong in the wild. They are also nocturnal animals, so keeping them in a bright room is incredibly torturous for them. The entire pet trading process not only further endangers this species, but it is also a highly unethical process, as pet traders will often remove their teeth before selling them as pets. Number 5. Giant panda. While pandas are often perceived as cuddly and peaceful animals, they possess a potentially dangerous side when they feel threatened. According to the World Wildlife Fund, these solitary creatures prefer to avoid conflicts but are equipped with sharp claws and teeth and may resort to aggression to defend themselves or their offspring when provoked, just like any other bears. The International Journal of Clinical and Experimental Medicine has investigated 3 instances of giant panda attacks, highlighting the potential danger posed by these animals. In one incident, a drunken tourist at the Beijing City Zoo ventured into the giant panda enclosure in an attempt to interact with the animal, resulting in a severe bite to his calf, leaving him with a significant skin injury. In the other 2 cases, male tourists accidentally fell into panda enclosures, leading to bites from the pandas as well. While there are no documented cases of pandas killing humans, previous attacks serve as a reminder to exercise caution when entering a panda's territory. Number 4. Leopard seals. Leopard seals rank as the 3rd largest seal species globally, with the female leopard seals, which are the larger of the sexes, reaching weights of up to 590 kilograms or 1,300 pounds and lengths of 3.8 meters or 10 feet. Leopard seals are considered dangerous and opportunistic predators that prey on whatever is easily accessible. Known for their formidable hunting abilities and aggressive behavior, particularly when defending their territory, leopard seals can move up to 40 kilometers per hour or 25 miles per hour in the water and have powerful jaws and sharp teeth capable of inflicting serious injuries. While they do not typically target humans as prey, there have been instances of leopard seals displaying aggressive behavior towards people, particularly when they feel threatened or provoked. Tragically, there has been one recorded fatality when a researcher snorkeling in Antarctic waters was dragged in the water by a leopard seal. It's important for people to exercise caution and maintain a safe distance when encountering leopard seals in the wild, as they are wild animals and their behavior can be unpredictable. Hey, do you like what you're learning? If yes, hit the subscribe button so that more people can discover and benefit from our video. Number 3. Raccoon. Unlike slow lorises, raccoons are not venomous, but raccoon bites can be life-threatening primarily due to the potential transmission of rabies. Rabies is one of the most concerning diseases associated with raccoons, as they are among the primary carriers of the virus in North America. When a raccoon bites a person, the rabies virus present in its saliva can be transmitted through the wound, leading to infection. The danger of rabies lies in its incubation period, which can range from weeks to months, during which symptoms may not be noticeable. However, once symptoms set in, it's often too late for treatment. Therefore, anyone bitten by a raccoon should seek immediate medical attention to receive rabies vaccination. Without timely intervention, rabies infection can progress to symptoms such as fever, headache, anxiety, confusion, hallucinations, paralysis, and ultimately death. So once again, while raccoons may seem cute and a little bite from them may appear harmless, it is extremely dangerous because you never know if they are carriers of rabies. Number 2. Platypus. My head felt like it was gonna explode. That's how Jenny Forward, a kind-hearted Tasmanian woman, described the pain when she was spurred by a platypus while attempting to rescue the trapped creature. The platypus was stuck in a gutter by the roadside, and when Jenny lifted it, she was immediately struck by the venomous spurs on its hind legs, injecting excruciating venom into both sides of her right hand. These spurs, unique to male platypuses, serve as defensive weapons during mating and confrontations. While the venom is not lethal to humans, it inflicts severe pain for days, and the worst part is that the pain seems resistant to painkillers. One Vietnam War veteran even describes the pain as more severe than being struck by shrapnel. Number 1. Pufferfish. Pufferfish contains a lethal toxin called tetrodotoxin, which is enough to kill an adult human with as little as 0.002 grams. Tetrodotoxin is 1,200 times more poisonous than cyanide, and one pufferfish contains enough toxin to kill up to 30 adult humans. However, pufferfish aren't inherently toxic. Instead, they accumulate tetrodotoxin as a defense mechanism against predators. This toxin buildup starts with bacteria consumed by plankton, which are then eaten by snails and worms, ultimately ending up in pufferfish. Most of the toxin concentrates in the liver and ovaries, making these body parts inedible. Tetrodotoxin is a silent, invisible threat that is unaffected by cooking. It binds to nerves upon ingestion, causing paralysis, leading to respiratory failure, and eventually death. Symptoms can strike rapidly from minutes to hours after ingestion, with no known antidote available. Alright, that's a wrap for our video today. If you learned something, hit the subscribe button and share this video with your friends. And for more amazing animal facts, check out the next video here. See ya!